The crypto space is super quiet. There are a few updates and I want to take them to you, so the video is not going to be long. I'm not going to waste your time and we jump straight into it. Up to the first thing is the 12 days of Pearl Labs, as we see here on a Christmas advent calendar type. So I will leave you the link down below. And by the way, if you want to see something that is not airdrop related, you want me to switch up the content, let me know in the comments below what type of content you would like to see, whether you're more into trading, whether you're more into the crypto news, whether you're more into what's happening in the market. Let me know in the comments below. But talking about this one, as we see over here, we do have it right here, 12 days of Christmas, and it is pretty much easy. Not many people are doing it, and it's just all free to simply go and get some bonuses or unlock some new perks and Discord roles and all of that. So I will leave the link down below for you to go and check them out. Next up, we do have the Tariq airdrop checker is now live. If you're eligible, you need to complete the registration by the next 4 days. So go to the website right here, as we see over here. Depending whether you're a testnet user or a community user, simply go and connect your wallet and check if you are a community users or a testnet users or what it could be. So we can go and simply log in with one of the wallet right here, for example, the Solana wallet, and let's see whether or not I have utilized it, because I don't even remember if I did. I probably think I didn't. And as we see here, unfortunately, I am not. So simply go all the way back and go back to the website over here. Check if you're a community member. With a community member, you can connect your Twitter or your Discord and check whether or not you have tweeted, you have yapped about it, or you participated in their ecosystem. And this is how you're able to go and check out for this airdrop. So there is a checker, as we see here. Also, Discord can be logged in. So better make sure to do them all, because you never know what you could have done last year or 2 years ago, as it is, kind of like a dead moment right now, and you will see whether or not you're eligible. I am not eligible, so let me know if you are eligible in the comments below. Next up, we also have the Zama testnet new tasks are out, as we see right here, and you can go to the confidentialtoken.com, connect your VM wallet, click claim, and mint your Euros Dead token. And this one is a new testnet, so it could be that once it goes out of under maintenance, you will be able to go and do it. By the way, it could be interesting, but it also could be something weird. Yes or no, we will see, and let's see how it goes. But also, I do want to remind you guys, in these crazy times on crypto, what do I recommend you? Well, I recommend you to go and trade with Breakout. Breakout is a prop firm, super easy to go and use, and it basically allows you to go and buy an account for $50, and you will get an account with $5,000 in it. It's called the prop firm account. I will leave the link down below in case you want to go and explore and check it out. And if you do sign up with my code, you will also get yourself a nice little discount code. But with that said, super easy and fast video, because there is literally not much to go and talk about in today's video. Crypto is basically sleeping, or I don't know what's happening. It's bear market, call it whatever you want, but projects simply don't care anymore about it. So with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.